and today we're making cookies, chocolate chip cookies. So the ingredients you'll need is 2.5 cups of flour, 3/4 cups of brown sugar, 3/4 cups of white sugar, 2 eggs, 1 cup of butter, some baking soda, 1 teaspoon, and half cup chocolate chips. Step 1. Preheat oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Step 2. Beat together butter, sugar, eggs, and vanilla. Step 3. Combine dry ingredients and add to your wet mixture. Step 4. Beat together. Step 5. Drop by teaspoon into a baking sheet. Step 6. Bake for 9 to 12 minutes.